Hi everybody. Well, replacement shock is in. In the end I didn't get it rebuilt. I through a friend of a friend found one that had come off a bike that had only done 10,000 miles. It all looked in pretty good order. I'll put a picture up there. And all the bearings have been sorted. I'm just putting the linkages back now, just clean them up a little bit. Only bearing I've left alone was this top one. Looked in good order, and the other ones were easy to push out but not easy to get back in, so I left it to a friend of mine to do it at his workshop. I just cleaned up the nuts and bolts. I was going to replace all these nuts and bolts from Honda, but ridiculous prices, so I'll just clean them up a bit and I'll protect them with the ACF 50 or something like that. But what I'll do with the old shock, you can see looking closer at it, it was pretty ropey, even though I tried to do my best with it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and knock off this remote preload adjuster and just see what's under there when you pop off that cap. I've researched on how you get it off, so I'll have a go at that, and I'll do a video about what's inside there and why it rusts up, hopefully. Still got the centre stand to tidy up, but I'm getting a bit fed up now. I want the bike back together. I don't like it pulled apart for too long, so I'm really looking forward to getting it all put back together. The panels on, get the oil change done, and all ready for the spring. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, thanks for watching again. Bye.